Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to get proof of payment using the FNB mobile app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the FNB mobile app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Pay option and tap on it. From there, select History. Next, choose Payments. You will now see a list of all your past payments. Select the payment you want to get proof of. At this point, you will see the transaction details. From here, tap Send Proof. Then enter your email address or cell phone number. After that, confirm to send the proof of payment. Once that's done, the proof of payment will be delivered to your selected option. And that's it. That's how to get proof of payment using the FNB mobile app. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.